Today, I'm going to show you why Africa and the Caribbean is more similar than you think. It all starts here in West Africa with jollof rice, the mother of so many dishes we eat today. One pot, carefully layered with tomatoes, peppers, onions, and scotch bonnet. Each layer isn't just about flavor, it's about survival. Every ingredient tells a story, and this blueprint traveled across the ocean and planted its roots in the Caribbean. When Africans arrived in Jamaica, the ingredients changed. Tomatoes weren't always around, so coconut milk became the base. Beans joined the pot, while thyme and pimento added local flavor. But the technique, one pot, layered seasoning, stayed the same, keeping the spirit of jollof alive. In Trinidad, they took the same African method, added caramelized sugar, pigeon peas, and meat, and made pilau. Rice still absorbs all the flavor, cooked together in one pot. The essence of jollof remains. In Haiti, every grain carries the same technique. From the same African blueprint that became rice and peas in Jamaica and pilau in Trinidad, Haitian rice is history. And you can taste the resilience, adaptation, and soul in every bite. And if you want to taste that connection for yourself, you can experience it at the Afro Caribbean Festival on February 28th at Miramar Regional Park.